Here at the youth centre we've been doing graffiti art.
Making benches and stuff to make our community better.
It's mad because it was just a plain white wall, just a plain garden, and we never used to go out there, we'd never be in the garden, but now
there's benches,
apart,
go out there.
Yeah.
We made the benches out of planks of wood and we use nails and power tools to get them in the shape they are, and they're going to be used for coming out during when the weather's nice and just looking at the fruit grow and somewhere to hang out and chill. This is the herb spiral, and when the weather gets better we're going to plant fruit and mint and lavender and that in it.
I wanted a group to think about how they could use the space and who might want to use the space and what kind of things they need to think about when designing a garden, so from where the light moves, where they're going to get the water from. And once we've measured it all and created a scale map of the garden, and then we started playing around with scale pictures of maybe benches, planters, to get an idea of what we could fit into the space. So some of their ideas were also around developing the walls and adding colour to them, and they did this with an extra graffiti workshop that they organised themselves. They're now talking about, should we have a woodwork group, or should we do some other crafting sort of activities that can actually become an income and help sustain the group.
Yeah, the young people took very well to it. They said the weather was nice and all the young people was in nice spirits, and also it was a good experience for them to use different tools. They've also had experience as well of burning into wood as well, so they've been designing different graphics on the wood. So they've really enjoyed the experience with the project.
I found the project really good and it was actually quite inspiring.
If people ask me, should they do it, I'd say yeah.
The whole experience of helping to build stuff for the centre was just a good feeling.
And we can thank Sam enough for
Really
letting us take part in this instead of being bad all the time.
Yeah, so we're thankful and grateful to Sam for all his time and effort.